it is time to put those dark circles to bed. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I have a video for you guys that I think you guys are gonna love. You guys literally ask me on the daily what I do to help with dark circles. What can you do to fix dark circles, to fix fine lines, to lighten up dark circles, to brighten your under eye. I would love for you guys to check out my video, what causes dark circles, because I feel like knowing the reason why things are happening will help you prevent them, and will also help you understand what products you actually need in your life to help these things. It's like, you know that putting your hands in fire is going to burn you, but you're just like, I wonder what's gonna happen. It's gonna burn you. So same thing with dark circles. If you know what causes dark circles, you're not gonna do those things that cause the dark circles. Therefore, you're not gonna get dark circles. But I did want to share with you guys a product that I did receive free from Octoly. It is from the brand Patchology, and this is something that I've been really wanting to try for a while now. I've been seeing it all over. It is their Flash Patch. It's a restoring night eye gel, and they're really like, they're like the little fun ones that you just put right underneath your eyes. So this is gonna help to plump up fine lines under the eyes. It's gonna help if your under eyes are very dry. Taking care of your under eyes is so incredibly important because it's gonna really affect us later on in our lives. When we get older, you're gonna start seeing more. You're gonna not be able to use as much concealer and different things like that. So you really wanna take care of your under eyes and fine lines right now. Using an eye cream helps, getting sleep helps, sleeping in a good position helps, less stress, less sugar. All of these things add in, and I talk about it all the time. You cannot have one miracle product for anything. If we had one miracle product for every single thing, all of these companies would be out of business, literally. But little things in conjunction with each other really make a difference. So that is something I want to stress. You really have to have a routine down pat, and you really have to be committed to that routine. So that being said, let's talk a little bit more about these Patchology eye gels. So there are 3 different kinds of little flash patches. So the special ingredients in the restoring one are retinols and peptides. So this is gonna help fight fine lines. It's gonna help fight fatigue. For me, I hardly sleep, which is so bad. This is why my dark circles are a little bit extra. I hardly get to sleep. I'm like an insomniac. So these at the end of the night really help me hydrate the under eye, and it really helps to combat that fine line, fatigue under the eye. I wake up and I don't really have a lot of puffiness because of using this, and if I do, I'll just pop some of these on. Even though it is a night gel, I still use it, and because it has retinols in it, I will always put on an SPF. So I'm taking care on that front. There are 2 other ones, the Rejuvenating eye gels, which has caffeine and hydrolyzed collagen in it, which is gonna help smooth out the under eye. It's gonna help with puffiness. So if that's something that you suffer from, definitely take a look at the Rejuvenating one. And then there are the Illuminating eye gels. So that one has vitamin C in it, has Pearlescent Minerals. That's really if you wanna fight the dark circles and uneven skin tone. So with these eye gels, you can apply it in the morning time as soon as you wake up, or in the nighttime right before bed. This one is specifically a night gel, but like I said, I kind of cheat and I'll use it during the daytime too with SPF. Also use this on your makeup, like under your makeup. Like as right now, I can just put these on and it'll just kind of refresh it. With this, you only have to put them on for 5 minutes. So you can put them on while you're doing your makeup, while you're blow drying your hair, while you're just getting ready for bed and brushing your teeth. So there are 3 ways that you can wear this, and I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. So it comes like this, and you take out the top. What I love about this is that this is what it looks like. It has a liquid in it, so I don't want to like bend it too much, but this is what it looks like. And it comes with a little scoop. It looks like a little ice cream scoop. I don't know if you guys are from Guyana, but like the little igloo scoops, this is what it looks like. But you just kind of scoop up one at a time, and you apply it on. You know what? I think I am gonna apply this on top of my makeup. Let's see how it works on top of the makeup. If it breaks up your makeup, which I feel like personally most likely it will do. You can wear it in a couple of different ways. and I'll show you. You can go ahead and apply this in the doll face way, which is just like so, right underneath. What you want to do is not get it all the way up under. Any type of eye cream that you are applying, you don't want to get it right up under your eye. It will travel. You want to get it right on the orbital bone, which is right under here. This is what targets the under eye bags. Going with the thin side in and the thick side out, this is going to go ahead and target crow's feet. So you just go ahead and apply it just like this. You want to be very gentle with these pads too, because they do tear. Especially if you have like little claws like I do, they do tear. And you don't need to go very high up under the eyes. So this side is the scarecrow and this side is the doll face. And then you can definitely go on top of the eye. If your eyelids are a little bit puffy, you can just go ahead and put it up on your eye with the side going down. So you'll just put the thick side on this side and then have the side going down right on top of your eyelids and you're good to go. So this feels so good right now. I feel so refreshed. I'm just gonna leave it on for right now. It's most likely taking off my makeup underneath, which is fine because I am gonna be taking off my makeup anyways. But I think this is so... Girl, this matches my top. I love that. But yeah. So I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. So this is a little trick. I have a skincare fridge that I'm obsessed with. I keep all of my skincare in there. I have like, well, not all of it, but like the things that are cooling, I like to keep in there. I keep these in there and taking it out and using it is so amazing. It feels so nice and relaxing. And then I also keep my jade roller in there too. Investing in a skincare fridge is definitely a must, especially if you're a skincare junkie. You absolutely need to. But this feels so good, and sometimes I just kind of like to like tap it just like that. So I'm like already tapping in the serum and it's working its way in before I even have to do anything. I feel so nice and cooling. I know this for sure is taking off all of my makeup. This is what it looks like. It's just a really nice refresher. I'm about to take off all of my makeup under here, so it's totally fine, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much, Octoly, for sending this to me, and Patchology. I'm really excited to continue using this. If you guys have tried this out already, or if you guys are interested in trying it out, let me know in the comments below. I am so excited to hear your thoughts on it, or if you've tried something similar. I will have any links I can find in the description, and any coupon codes I can get my hands on for you guys. I will have it as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at ReesMUA. And I will talk to you guys in another one. Mwah! See you later.